2009 to 14 when I'm comparing with 2018 and 19. So this year, what is the allocation the railway budget provides as compared to the previous budget? So just a comparison that how the railway has been enhancing its plant size to a great extent, and that has will be something which next 5 to 10 years will be very crucial for the railways in terms of infrastructure building. You see that the new government had focused a lot of provided in fact a lot of thrust to the doubling as against the new line, because the doubling projects are key to the railways as far as the traffic capacity bottlenecks are concerned. Previously, a lot of new line projects in the name of social projects and all, the railways used to invest money. So as compared to, if you look, one interpretation is, under the new government, the doubling investment has gone up by roughly around 600%. Okay. That means from 2009 to 2014, roughly on doubling we were spending 2400 crores annually. In 2018-19 on doubling, overall Indian Railways is spending roughly around 17,300 crores, which is a jump of 600%. So which indicates a very clear focus that the line capacity has to be enhanced.